Greetings everyone, my name is Akash and today we'll be having a tutorial that how can we experience AI powered sales bot. So this agentic AI platform enables businesses to scale their sales with the help of this agentic AI sales bot platform. So to experience it, let's start with a tutorial. So first we can go to the pricing model in the website of intoai.co.in. Here we have majorly three plans: basics, pro and enterprise plan. But to start with, we have this, for the tutorial, we can use this basic plan. So we'll click on get started. Now we'll start filling our name, our last name, email ID, mobile number, then we'll give our business name. We'll start with into AI only. So to create, we then click onto the create account. Once we have successfully created an account, for the verification we will receive email code to verify our email. Okay, then we will verify the email. After verifying, now we need to start filling our address line, that is our billing address. We'll enter our business details here. We select city, we select state, we give pin code, then GST number. Then by accepting the terms and services, we can start our trial package. So now once we have started, then we can give our website max depth. What is depth? Depth is the website that we have put the URL. So depth means how deep should the AI go and scrap your entire business details. So if we write 1, that means it will scrap the first home page. If we write 2, then it will scrap all the pages that is there in website. And if we enter 3, that means it will go and deep dive into all the links that is there in all the pages, and it will go to level depth of third level. Now we can enter the max pages. So how many pages do you want to get to scan in your website? So it is like, for the testing purpose, we can use 5. Max tokens that we want, I'll write 200 here. Okay, 2000. Max products, let's say we have 5 products, so we will just enter 1 product here for the for the trial purpose. Now within fraction of minutes, this agentic AI platform is going to scrap the website, gather all the details, so that our business AI bot should be ready. So as you can see here, the website was scrapped successfully. Then we will reconfirm all the things as scrapped by the AI, that our business type is B2B or B2C. What is the business strength? How many employees are working in this company? Then what is our industry? So it's artificial intelligence and a SaaS industry. Categories: sales automations. Subcategories: AI sales agent. Okay, great. Now we'll move next. We'll again check the company management. If there's any, we will add. We can also add the product, that is SalesBot that we have. Now comes the most important part, that is agent configuration. So we have into AI assistant. So okay, we can continue with Akash. Let's say I want this assistant name to be Akash, and the greeting message is, hi, this side is Akash, how may I assist you? Then follow retry means that for how many times we want to try to convince the customer, even if the customer is negative and has objections. So we can set the bandwidth at 3. Then personality, we can select that what kind of personality you want this agent to be. Again, we can select our goal type, that you want to book a meeting, you want to generate a lead. So accordingly, we can select our goal. CTA means call to action type, that what do you want? You want to finally book a demo, or you want the customer to do site visit, or you want to schedule a meeting. So let's select schedule meeting. Core USPs, it will auto fetch from the website. If we want to change the core USPs later on, there are functionality again inside this platform, we have that. But for the initial setup, we can just verify everything and go ahead. Contact information will be can be selected here. Then we have a prompt option as well. So if in this prompt we can configure this again later on, but it is not mandatory currently, so we'll skip this part. Offer description, let's say we'll give an offer description of 10% initially for yearly purchase. Profile threshold, so we can write that how many how which customers, how many qualification threshold value it should have. So we'll give a number 50. Reset count, that how many you want to how many times you want to reset. So let's say we'll give 2. Languages, we can select bilingual, multilingual, or let's say we'll select only English as per our business type and customer's language. Then the time zone will be fetched automatically. We can change as per our business headquarters. Emojis, do you want this agent to use emojis or not? Do you want this agent to use name reference or not? So all this thing will be there. And finally the probing option. So here the pro agent try to understand the customer's requirement, gathers the requirement thoroughly, understand it, and finally then after convincing the customer, it will run the CTA. So we have some custom rules also that we can add as our business. So this agent is now ready to work. Now clicking on submit, we can also configure our working days. Once we can see that we have 5 working days, 10 to 7, that is there. Now submitting. Now this is probing stage. So we want the probing instruction to be, let's say, one instruction. So we first generate this probing instruction. Now as soon as we can see the probing instruction is generated, so we need to select the probing instruction and how many probing questions do we want as a business. So I'll just enter 3 to start with. Then I'll generate the questions now. So as soon as we click on to the generate questions, this agentic AI platform will automatically fetch your data and will generate probing questions, which will help us to gather and qualify the right set of leads. Now once this is done, we can re-verify it, edit it or delete it as per our convenience, and then we can move to next. So once we are done with the entire setup, now we need to integrate our WhatsApp, email, calendar and other platforms that we will be having in this area. So once integrated with our multi-channels, we can finish this, and now we are ready to experience our agentic AI SalesBot.